My name is Charles Carter, and it's the 29th of January, and I'm going to do my introduction speech. We all have goals at the beginning of each year, but that only lasts about a week each year. There are different kinds of goals, and I will be talking about my career goals. It all started when I was born in Washington, and we had to move to Columbia for my dad's first engineering job at Intel. Well, to get off with, I have a lot of family who goes to Clemson, and my dad graduated from Clemson with a computer engineering degree, and my mom and her whole side of the family have engineering degrees, mostly from Michigan. But my goal is to I want to become a computer engineer after attending Clemson, and I hope to become a programmer for Intel and have a full understanding of programming and engineering. Ever since I was a kid, I've always had a liking for computers and programming, and as a kid I used to practice programming and stuff because I used to have this little Mindstorm kit, and it allowed the kid to create the robot and program the robot. So the kid got experience working with his hands and programming, so they could really just figure out if they liked programming at a young age. In high school, I took 2 years of programming and 1 year of game design, so I've already started going on that track for my own liking. And when I was a kid, my dad used to take this one of those big old computers, the big square ones, and he'd open it up. You can see all the motherboards and stuff in there, and he used to take them apart, and he let me see so I could see how all the parts went together to work as a system within the computer and all work together. And eventually he started testing me on all these parts, and I'd have to memorize them and what they did, and then he'd give me special treats if I did it or not. So that also encouraged me to learn how the processing system worked and got me into it. And for my future, I would like to start off with a computer programming degree, like my dad. I want to start off with a programming degree, and I guess I'd have to work as a simple programmer under a manager or something, but eventually I'd like to become a manager for myself, because who doesn't like to be in charge? I want to be in charge of all the projects, because they build new chips and they program everything, and go off there. There's many managers, first line, second hand, third hand. You just got to work yourself up. I don't know if I'm going to want to be a computer engineer for my entire life, but who knows? All I know is engineering is in my blood, and I'm going to keep it that way. And well, when I was a kid, I was pushed to like engineering because it's in my blood. And with engineering, anything is possible to achieve. So just gotta stick with your goals and keep working at them. Show where you got to. Thank you.